Hey y'all! If you're dealing with stubborn acne, let me tell you about Proactiv's 3-step acne treatment, which my husband has been using for over 20 years. It's super simple but effective. Just clean, tone, and repair. First, the Benzoyl Peroxide face wash helps to deep clean and fight acne bacteria. Then, there's the toner to balance out skin, and finally, the repair step with a gentle yet powerful lotion to keep skin clear. My husband's skin looks amazing and has stayed that way all these years. I highly recommend Proactiv to anyone who wants a straightforward and effective routine for clear skin.
Okay, today we're going to be talking about the Proactiv three-point acne treatment here. Yes, this is a couple of the bottles from it, and just want to say that we actually really believe in this and use it quite a bit. The reason it's important is my wife and I have had 6 kids, and we are now on our 6th and final teenager. Hello! And so, again, we have found what works, and this is one of the things that works. So wanted to just highly recommend it to you, get you to check it out. Hopefully you'll like it as much as we have, and really some great stuff. So go check it out.
Hi, this review is for the Proactiv 3-step system. I love this. I know it has helped my face so much. My kids also use it. It goes in 3 parts. Super easy to use because it's numbered. So you use this one first, like a face wash. You do that for a couple minutes, rinse it off. This is a toner, step 2. You're going to get a cotton pad, put it all over, let it dry. Then you're going to do step 3, which is a lotion. Love the smell of these. Really, really, if you have gone to a dermatologist, talk to them about this, because I know I love these, and I think anybody who uses this will like it as well. It smells good. You'll love it.